Most people reviews this. They also say this product the price is quite good. We've found pros and cons on this type of product. But overall, it's a supreme product and we are well recommend it. When you however want to know more details on this product, so read the reports of those who have already used it. Visit the product detail link in description for an item you wish to buy. Tap Add to Cart. When you've finished adding items to your cart, tap the shopping cart icon. If you need to edit the items in your cart, tap Save for later or delete next to the item in the cart. Tap Proceed to checkout and follow the on-screen instructions. Review your order information and tap Place your order to complete your purchase. You'll see an order confirmation screen when your purchase has been completed.